Hi, I'm Rajiv, a data analytics expert, and as it has been seen that lot many of you face difficulty in installing the SQL Server. So today I will be telling you about how to install the SQL, download and install the SQL Server, right? So let's proceed on and let me quickly share my screen. So SQL Server, you know about SQL, which is a structured query language. So how we need to download and install it. So here on the slide, you can see I have given you the link. We are downloading SQL Server 2014, and these are the two files which needs to be downloaded. We just need to click on the link. I clicked on the link and it will take us to the download page. Here it is. And when you scroll down, you just need to click on the download button. You will be getting list of files to be downloaded, but you need not to download all the files. You need to download the third file from the top, that is SQL Express x64 enu.exe, and the last file, which is SQL Server Management Studio x64 est. The first file is the server file and the second file is the client file. Just click on the download button and the installation will start. The total file size is 880 MB. Okay, so it will take some time to download. So we will wait for the download over here. So as you can see that the files has been downloaded. So you can click on this download the button over here to see the file. Hmm. Here is the button. You can just click on this button and you will be able to see the downloaded file. So the two files are SQL Express x64 ENU and SQL Management Studio x64 ENU. Just click on the folder icon to see it in the folder. First of all, we will be installing the SQL Express x64 ENU. That is the server file. So I will simply double click on it. So we need to keep patience while installing because it takes time for the pop-up to come depending on the network speed. So just say yes and then keep patience. Say okay. The files are being extracted, the installation files. So again and again, I am highlighting that you need to keep patience while installation of SQL, because it takes time. So the complete process may take 10 to 15 minutes, again dependent on the network speed. So now we are waiting for a pop-up to come up. The files has been extracted. You can see some messages appearing on the screen. Right, here it is. So you can see we are getting, sorry, you can see the window which we are getting. In this dialog box, we are getting two options. One say new SQL standalone installation and second is the upgrade. You just need to click on the first option, that is the new SQL Server installation. Just click on this, wait. Ensure that you click only once, do not do the double click. The pop-up may take some time to come up. So if you do double click, multiple instances of installation will start. So just click on once and wait for this pop-up. Accept the agreement and click on next. Right. And right. So you can see over here, it is asking me to restart the computer. So which I need to. So it is sometime it asks for that. So I am not able to proceed further until unless I restart my computer. Okay. So I need to stop this installation and I will be restarting my computer. So Now I have restarted my computer and we are once again installation of the SQL Server, proceeding on with the installation of the SQL Server. So I need to click on new standalone installation. Just click on this one. So once again highlighting, we need to click only once. I will accept the agreement and click on next. So the process is going on. We need to keep patience, right? It is doing some background processing. Hmm. So you can see I'm getting the next dialog box. So here you just need to click on the next, nothing else. Hmm. It is asking for the instance. You can go with the default, that is the name instance, which says SQL Express. And you just need to click on the next button. Right. So it is asking for the database engine. You just need to click on the next, nothing else. It is asking for the authentication mode. So we can go ahead with the Windows authentication mode. This means that the user ID and the password of your computer will be the user ID and password of the SQL Server. Okay, just click on next. You need to go ahead with Windows authentication. Click on next. Now the installation is in progress. Right, it is getting installed. So the recording is going on. So this process takes time. It depends on the network speed. So depending, it might take 5-10 minutes. So you just need to keep the patience. So it is almost done process, but we just have to wait till the time it is completed. So now you can see that the installation has been done. You can see everywhere there is a success. In case of any problem, you will be getting a failure over here. And here is the message complete. You just need to click on the close button and the installation of SQL Server has been done. You can close this dialog box. Now we need to repeat the same process for the management studio. So I will go to my downloads folder where we have downloaded the file. So you can see we have installed SQL Express X64ENU and now we are going to install SQL Management Studio. Simply we will double click on this and wait, right? Do not do multiple double clicks. Double click and wait. We will be getting the pop-up over here. Click on yes, say okay. It is getting extracted. The message is coming up. Soon we will be getting the dialog box. So what during the installation, sometimes it feels like that nothing is happening, but the background process is going on. So I think I have repeated this number of times that patience is required, right? Again, you will see new installation. Ensure that you need to click on new SQL Server installation. Just click on this. Exactly same result which we have got initially, we will be getting again. But this is the installation of Management Studio. That was the installation of SQL Server. So again, it will take time, which depends on the network speed. Right. So I have to click the next over here. I need to accept the agreement and press next. Simply say next. It is the path and all which it has taken. So it will take everything by default. You just need to click on next. All right. So you can see over here, it says installation progress. So now it is being actually installed. So again, it will take time. So just sit, relax, keep patience. So it's going on as you can see. So it again depends on the network speed. This time depends on the network speed. It's about to be completed. You can see it is about to be completed. And you can see the success status. The SQL Server Management Studio has also been installed. You just need to click on the close and you can close this dialog box. Now go click on the Windows button Search for the SQL over here, and you will see there are many things with the name SQL, but we need to run this SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on this. SQL Server Management Studio is getting loaded. You are getting this dialog box because you are opening this SQL Server for the first time on your machine. This is the name of the server installed on the computer. On this box, you just need to click on connect. And here, as I have already specified, that you will not be getting a query editor. To get the query editor, you will be clicking on the new query. And here is your query editor. You are good to go. If you want, you can close this box. And now you can write your command. So I will write a sample command like create database demo, execute, and I will say execute. So you can see currently I'm sitting in the demo database. So now you can see that your SQL Server has been completely installed and running successfully. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and now you will not experience any issue in installing of the SQL, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you and good luck. Thanks.